How to give access to Facebook page. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Then open your Facebook page. Log into your Facebook page. After logging in to your Facebook page, simply go to the menu bar from your top right corner. Now, go to this gear icon settings. Scroll down and then you will see an option of page access. If you cannot find that specific option, you can go to page setup and then go to page access. Here you will find people with access and also add new people you want to give access to. You can also add people with task access as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.